Okay, fuselage time. Here we're gonna apply the elevator. I measured center line on the elevator, and I cut the monocoat. So when I apply the epoxy to the fuse, the elevator will stick and hold. So that should line up really well right there. Yeah. Okay, that lines up good. I cut all overlapping monocoat off the edges, and then I applied a thin CA to strengthen. The epoxy will help strengthen too once I glue it. Same here on the bottom of the rudder fin. I cut all overlapping monocoat, applied thin CA to it to help strengthen the balsa. And this is how it'll be once it's completed. Alright. Also, I went over the plane with a heat gun to tighten up all the monocoat. Makes it look real good. And sometimes when you get these arcs from the factory, from my past experience flying, you know, the monocoat isn't always glued well to the balsa. So now I just go over everything with a heat gun. Get it nice and tight, real fresh look. Motor mount has been installed. It's a sideways motor mount. I'm thinking about putting an OS 120 on it since that's what I have. I also have a Sato 180. I know that 180 would be really powerful. But this is a 154 stroke kick 2-stroke kit as well, 120 2-stroke. Alright. Okay.